We're playing Heavy Rain. I failed at vlogging. Right, Dan?
Jason!
There he is! I found him!
Jason! Jason!
Jason! Say it with me, Dan.
Jason!
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 What now?
Fuck! Jason!
It's like a dream where you're trying to run,
Jason!
and you're running and running and can't get anywhere.
Everyone's in my fucking way! Jason! Jason!
You just saw him.
Jason!
I'd like a number 9. Jason!
Jason! Oh, he's there. I saw the balloon. It's over here. Get the fuck out of my way, bitch! Jason!
Can you push people?
Yeah. Damn it, stop turning.
Jason!
Jeez, God, you really have me scared. Get away from this creepy man.
What creepy man?
Just grab somebody else's pin. Jason!
He's wearing the same color shirt and the same hair and the same balloon.
Jason! Jason!
Uh-oh. Oh, cutscene. Oh, shit.
Shit! Jason!
Dad!
I have a feeling someone's gonna clip him right in front of him. Yep. Here comes a Ford Focus.
No!
Oh my god!
Jason! Jason!
The car hit him first.
No, Jason! Oh my god!
Didn't it? It hit the guy. So, it's like 11:20. Been dyeing my hair for a little while. EA Games! No, they didn't pay me to do that. So I'm gonna play The Sims a little bit. So I had some pretty sad news yesterday. I put it in the end of yesterday's vlog, but yeah, I don't live with my parents. I live with just Dan. But my head's burning. Not really. It's just itchy. But so they had to put my dog down. I just wanted to tell you that. That's what that was at the end of that video. It was my dog. He actually, I'll explain a little bit more about him. My parents inherited him about 3 years ago from this woman that my mom used to take care of because she takes care of the elderly in the comfort of their home. So she's a home health aide. And this woman who was in her 90s, healthy besides, there was a couple things that were wrong with her, but they were getting progressively worse really quick. And my mom inherited the dog from her. Sweetest little old lady ever. Sweetest little doggy ever. He was in my vlog a couple times before in the old one. But anywho, I'm really sad because I couldn't say goodbye. But, you know, because they cremated him. They put him down because he was really sick and started fainting, and yeah. But now he's in a better place now. He's back with her. And that's how I gotta think of it as, but it's still sad. I love him. But yeah. This has been quite an uneventful day. My bad. My bad. Dye my hair though. So you'll see what that looks like tomorrow. Bye! See you guys later. Fun day with Tara tomorrow. Tattoos?